You're like, wow, it's so easy to tell what has chicken in it. It's not sometimes. Hey guys, I had this idea for a very long time, and I actually filmed this whole week's worth of food a very long time ago. Honestly, it was like 3 weeks ago. I kind of forgot that I filmed for a week straight, to be honest. Been a little preoccupied, you know? I want to incorporate more of my life, you know, back into my videos, and something huge that maybe not everyone knows about me is that I am vegan. Maybe this will inspire some of you, or maybe some of you guys are already vegan or already looking into being vegan, and I just want to show you guys some cool stuff that I eat, things that I regularly make that might inspire you. Or, you know, if you're not vegan at all and you were like, this food is gonna look like garbage, you're wrong, because this food is amazing, okay? My original idea for this video was like gonna be artsy, but like it just makes me laugh at myself. Yeah. So this video isn't only going to be a what I eat in a week vegan, you know, in Los Angeles video, but it's going to be voiced over by me, myself, right now. And I'm gonna explain to you a little bit about what I'm eating, maybe why I'm eating it, or maybe it'll just be really funny commentary. But let's jump into it, let's get started. This is what I eat in a week, vegan in Los Angeles. As you can see, I started off this day with some blueberries, some banana. I'm eating it. You probably woke up late because I usually make huge breakfast. For lunch, I am making a chickpea barbecue sandwich. Oh my god, there's me. Look at how cute I am. So my sister actually bought me this cookbook that's called The Frugal Vegan, and every recipe in this book is cheap. Nothing is expensive. But these chickpea sliders are one of my favorite things I have probably ever tried. Actually, that's kind of bold, but it's a top one. It's a top fave. I had some leftovers and then I put it in the fridge, you know, maybe we'll do it again. For a snack, I had some carrots and some hummus, and for dinner, we, as in Logan, was making these like homemade chicken nuggets. The recipe is from a YouTube video, so I will link that down below, but it's really just tofu and then flour and cheap stuff. So anyone can do it. It's so cool. And then for a side, we had modern table vegan mac and cheese, which actually is like the herb, you know, kind. Logan likes barbecue sauce and I like ketchup. I'm a ketchup girl. What can I say? Look at that. Wait, can we watch that again? Let's one more time. Oh, it's good. It's real good. Gotta dip it in that ketchup. So good. Okay, next breakfast is going to be a peanut butter and banana sandwich with some agave on top. I actually used to make this sandwich all the time. Actually, well, this is like an open face sandwich, okay? It's like toast. For lunch, we're eating a salad. And actually, this dressing is so good. It's apple dressing from Target. Prime, perfect. Obviously, I bought this hummus, and I usually don't actually eat that much hummus, but I was like, I have this hummus, I'm just gonna eat it every day for a snack because I am very bad at eating snacks, but I'm trying to get better so I don't eat giant meals. But I still eat giant meals. For dinner, we're making kale stuffed shells with marinara sauce. Guys, I can't even tell you how good this is. Oh my gosh. For breakfast, we're having a smoothie with some oat milk. Yum. Also, I just want to stop that real quick because we in fact did get regular glasses. Before that, I only had wine glasses and mugs for coffee. I just wanted everyone to know we have regular cups. If I make a smoothie, I put it in a regular cup, not a mug. Not that it matters, anyone can drink out of anything. I just wanted to say that we upgraded. Thank you. For lunch, we're doing the leftovers of the barbecue sliders, and this ended up being the largest slider I've ever had in my life, but I was like, I committed. I was like, I'm gonna eat all of this, and I did. Thank you, thank you. Oh, wow, it's just, it looks so good. Wait, we're watching that again. Oh, look, it's just, guys, I love sandwiches. And then here's where the coffee comes in. I was actually, during filming this, I was filming 2 videos at the same time. Guy friend chooses my outfits every day, and then I filmed another video. Anyways, so there's a lot going on. I end up drinking a lot of coffee, and this is just the start of it, okay? So now we have hummus again and Animal Crossing. Shout out to Nintendo, we love Animal Crossing. Logan makes the perfect cauliflower wings. The air fryer is a complete game changer. I used to make them in the oven, which were still great and fine, but with the air fryer they're completely like crispier. So if y'all's big fans of the kitchen and would like an air fryer, I highly suggest it. Ah, they're just so good. And then we're making mac and cheese on the side. Oh my god. And it's actually Alfredo Mac and Cheese by Modern Table. And oh, I just shout out to follow your heart. If you guys are vegan, vegetarian, lactose intolerant, I don't care, and you haven't discovered Follow Your Heart brand yet, like, look into it, because yum. That's all I'm gonna say. Coffee, a banana for breakfast, probably woke up late again. What is late? Oh my gosh, okay, here we go. We're making a sandwich. Like I said, I love sandwiches. Listen, I will eat a regular veggie sandwich, but I do love some vegan cheese. Good vegan cheese, not the bad vegan cheese. And I love the fake deli meats, which is still gross. Ugh, meats, ugh, gross. But like soy deli slices. Oh, I like that. Soy deli slices, that sounds better. Okay, yeah. Soy deli slices, prime. For snack, I'm eating hummus again, but this time with crackers that were pretty good. I don't know what happened to them. I'm pretty sure I didn't eat all of them, but they're gone. I don't know where they went. I made an amazing stir fry with tofu and sweet and sour sauce, and it's, ooh, so good. I love it. And then a midnight snack, a 1 a.m. snack of Twizzlers and Taco Bell. A fan, for sure. For a minute, I thought I was gonna have to boycott all Taco Bells, but in fact, only some of the owners of Taco Bells are garbage and not all of them. Now I'm gonna start out my morning with some decaffeinated tea, a balsamic grilled sandwich. You guys, this was one of the best decisions I ever made in my life, making this sandwich, because I am still obsessed and I really committed this day. Since then I haven't committed to the sandwich, but every version I've made is still very good. Balsamic, solid. And I kept this clip in just because I want to show you guys that I had some leftover balsamic vegetables that I will use later. Also popcorn, homemade popcorn, and that Parmesan, wait, we're going back. This Parmesan, Parma vegan Parmesan, found it at Whole Foods, but in fact I originally bought like a set of 5 of them online. Just try it out. That's all I want to say. I didn't keep another clip in here. I don't know why. I don't know what happened to this clip after this, but I made some white cheddar mac and cheese and I put some broccoli in it, so we have some greens, and I put some nutritional yeast on there, you know, to make it more nutritional. And now we have dessert time. So we're watching a movie and got some chocolate to dip in some peanut butter and some Twizzlers. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay, another thing of coffee, because you know, coffee. What is this? Okay, I think, oh my god, yeah, I was making breakfast. Oh, you guys, this is the best decision ever. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at it. Oh my god. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. Oh my gosh. I need it. I need it right now. Hummus again, but you see it's almost gone, so we're doing good. Okay, now, you guys, this night was one of the best nights. I love homemade pizza so much. I put some arugula on there. I put the leftover balsamic, you know, vegetables on there, and then I put balsamic glaze on there. You guys, balsamic glaze is like sweet, and it comes out like a syrup, and syrup? How do you say that? Oh my gosh, I don't know how to speak. Okay, we're gonna carry on now. Okay, what do we have? More coffee, because you know, gotta have coffee. In fact, actually, I wanna say this right now. I haven't had coffee in like a week. I'm not addicted. I believe we are making like a salad-y. Okay, it's kind of hard to tell, but I made like a stir fry, okay? hear me out. I made a stir fry, but I put it on top of arugula, and then I put peanut sauce on top, and that's actually like a sweet chili peanut sauce. I got it from Ralph's. Real good. That's all I'm saying. Oh, okay. That like stir fry salad thing was lunch, and I'm pretty sure I had leftover like stuffed shells. So this is the next day. See, this video was gonna go so downhill if I wasn't here to help myself. Okay, you know, be your own backup. You know, you gotta have your own back, and that's me right now, coming in clutch. Okay, so it is now breakfast time, and we are making some food. We got jalapenos, we got cilantro. We're making a little mixy mix and putting it in a wrap. And I am folding it over very gently because I don't know how to fold breakfast sandwiches. I can't. I don't know the technique. I can't visualize it. I'm like, yeah, you fold the end and you just fold it, right? Coffee. Arugula salad with shaved Parmesan. This is what we're doing, okay? I had leftover arugula, I had Parmesan, I had onion, and I had everything else that I needed, and it was pretty easy and really good. I'm like not a huge salad person because it doesn't fill me up, and this didn't fill me up, but was still a move. And I'm glad that I ate leftover stuff that I had, you know, around instead of buying something new. You know, and I also cannot mix a salad at all. By the way, shout out to Hippies. And for a snack, I also made Brussels sprouts with a little garlic, a little pepper on there. Why don't people snack on vegetables that are steamed? You know, no one snacks on steamed vegetables. When does anyone ever do that? Let's normalize eating steamed vegetables for snacks. Okay, for dinner, we are making pasta with cheeses and plant-based breaded patties from Whole Foods. This is the 365 brand. It is a vegan, and this is one of the best breaded chicken I ever had. However, I'm gonna stop this video right here to let you guys know, though this is the best breaded style chicken I have ever had, I have recently learned that Whole Foods uses prison labor. In what portions of their store, I don't know. In what foods, in what aspects, I don't know. But because they use prison labor, it just makes it like it doesn't feel right. Gonna find some new breaded chicken soon. If any of you guys have any recommendations, comment them down below. I would love to know. I would love to know where you buy your stuff. Okay, but I mean, and look at how good this looks. Veggies, chicken, marinara. It's good. Oh wow, yes. That was a pretty good shot too. I mean, I'm just gonna say just a little bit, pull it back a little bit. It looks good. And we're going to end the day with some non-dairy caramel brownie ice cream. And that is the end of my video. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope maybe this inspired some of you to go vegan, or some of you to think about, like, you know, what you're eating more and where you're getting your stuff. It's a process, but you can learn anything, you know. I still messed up many times, and you think that'd be easy. You're like, wow, it's so easy to tell what has chicken in it. It's not sometimes, you know. If you guys like soup, wow, I have something to tell you there. If you guys like Jell-O, I got something to tell you, man. If you guys like half the movie theater candies, got news for you. I also want you guys to know that if you like this outfit that I'm wearing right now, this shirt, and it has a matching skirt, but I'm not gonna stand up right now. I'm currently working on upping my merch website to not only have merch with, you know, my face on it and my logo and, you know, like my unicorn phone cases, but I want to have clothes that I wear on that website, so you guys can buy your own clothes. Maybe we can match. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. I hope this was entertaining. Okay, bye. Wow, I love food so much.